Who goes there? Fee fi fo fum. I spell the blood of gold on the market. I don't know, some shit like that. Chat. What is poppin'? Holy shit, it's been a while, no? Is it time to make a meal? Is it time, chat? Is it time? Energetic today? Yeah, chat. Where the fuck are you all, huh? Where are you all? Where's my energy at? I need to... bro, we got 33 people in here right now. 4 likes. I need a few more than that to start the stream. Low kizzy. Low key. Chat, you know what that sound is? It's the sound of a strawberry dream. Alright, let's get it poppin', man. Chat in 3, 2, 1. What is poppin', everybody? Holy shit, welcome back to the streams. It's been a while. It's been a long time no see. All of them ones there, chat. What's good? Who's here? It's good. Joshua, Alpha Mango, Money on Money was good. Rays, Tony, Woo Trades, Mr. Victory Settings. Always the first one here, Mr. Victory Settings. Holy shit. Chat, let's make 10 billion. 10 billion right now. Otherwise, it's not even worth turning up. Low key. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Early on, before it even starts, let me start up the trade copy here because... Holy. Also, let me just do a little announcement. What's good, Dirty Bikes? How's it going, man? Only 10? Yeah, 10 billion's enough for me, man. Low key. Jump in. Alright. I'm here, no fear. Oh, fuck. Not this guy. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. How's everyone's weekend, man? What'd you guys get up to? What'd you guys get up to on the weekend? Anything interesting? What's good, Chaz? How's it going, man? Tony as well. All the man here. So, can't wait to trade on futures now. Hee indeed. Chat. Let's do a quick analysis here and then we can jump into the stream, right? So, chat, monthly time frame came down with the bottom wick first here. This is the first day of the month. So maybe we have a little bit, I don't know, interesting action on price here. Wednesday? Weekly. I saw the W as a Wednesday. Weekly time frame. Same thing, to be honest here. You have made like, or you're trying to make, I believe, like a higher low. You could come all the way back down towards 35.51 if you wanted, but otherwise you could come up even higher. And like obviously retake all-time highs. So we need to see what's going to happen here. Previous daily closed. Oh my days. Let's look at the FX chart for the daily because it's just ridiculous. Previous daily closed bearish, kind of respecting some levels that we have though. With that being said, 4 hour here is making some form of structure. Let's just take a look over here. Actually, no, it's kind of just ranging, to be truly honest. I believe you have a level up here towards 40.37 and you have one down here at like 39.98. So yeah, man, we'll see. Hourly, oh my days. The hourly's pushing up after a bottom wick. That is kind of crazy. That is kind of crazy here. Low key, doesn't look too bad. I mean, you've got a few key levels here that you're tapping into. But it actually doesn't look terrible. I'm not going to lie. Yes, the Wednesday time frame, my favorite. Yeah, my bad. God forbid a guy says the wrong word once in a while, huh? God forbid. All right, chat, what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at this level right here, which I believe is quite a strong level at 40.24. I mean, yeah, it's there. It's definitely noticeable. If you do close above there, chat, I'm looking at buys all the way up towards 40.39, roughly around there, maybe a little bit lower. But realistically, I think that's quite a strong level that we can use. As well as that, you do have a strong support at 4,009.2. Closure below there takes you down towards like 39.97. Let's just check this to the left. Check this. Yeah, let's call it 39.95, and let's call this... Actually, no, that's right. That looks good to me, chap. That looks good. Yeah. Cool. All right, chat. What's the 5 minute doing? All my days are closed above and made a bottom wick. Holy skibbities. Chat, what do you guys know about holy skibbities, man? Not much, I reckon. What's good, Bedge? What's good, Danny? Just closed the trade. Need 1,200 to pass an account. W. What's good, Omar? Wagwan, my people, them. You know, say me now, miss no man. But it's rather splendid to set eyes upon the stream once more. W. Alright. Chat. A lot of potential today. Low key. Buys above this little area here will take us up towards the promised lands. Sells below here would also take us down to some profits. So cringe. But yeah, realistically, it should be a good one. I actually caught a banger trade yesterday, chat, during Asian, like a 6 billy vanilla trade. What's good, Darius? How's it going, brother? Holy skibbities from my nightmares? Yeah. Dylan, what's good? Time to make a billy? A billy would be nice right now. $1 billion. Mental? Nah, Jay, I will go mental. I actually will go mental. Strawberry dreams, chat. Guys, what did you guys do up on, fucking hell, learn to speak English, on the weekend? What did you guys get up to? Me personally, I made like something like 462 mil. Just like passively. What levels are they? Support and resistance levels. To be honest, I think the wider range is somewhere up here towards like 39, but you're going to be very far away from there at the minute. Made $3? W. Chasing trades? What a name. Your English has let the UK down? Cap. Been sorting house plans. It's just got my foundation arrived. Also made $100 million. W. Dieback, sorry, I forgot to read the previous message. So you're building a house in Thailand or what? Tom made me lose this morning. Jay. No. Was eating kick-ass sashimi in Abu Dhabi? That's crazy. Bro's just flexing on us low-key. Hey, Sam and Tom, XXX. 3 X's. Does that mean he likes us or is he just being friendly? Yeah. I think he's got a crush.
I also just not a fan of who's delivering it.
Mr. Anal. Yeah, I don't know. Correct? That's huge, man. I need to get in the morning streams when I can. Veg, yeah, you do, bro. They're sick. Chat, if you're not in the Discord, the free Discord, make sure you join. It's very important, man. Very important. Yeah, my accents are actually on point. What's the most kisses you can give a homie without having a crush? It's like Archimedes back in the day. I don't know, man. I work 29 hours, Friday to Sunday, so I'm shattered still. 2 days off, starting in 23 minutes. Woy. Time to lock in so I don't have to clock in. Just start a bigger challenge Wednesday. Fire. Fire. 1 million kisses? Yeah, Jay, you're low-key suspect. Trendlines, is that because of the acetate ester or nanthate ester? Is what because of that? I don't know what I don't know what either of those things are. Swiftly moving on, chat. I think he's talking about like nail varnish or something. I'm not sure, but low key, we are coming up towards the top of the range here. Starting to reject a little bit actually. 5 minutes struggling. The hourly flip. What does the 2 hour look like? It's kind of choppy in this range. Low key, if you zoom out, it's not even kind of choppy. It's very choppy. It's so weird hearing someone call you by your YouTube name. That's pretty common, I think, actually. I get that like more times than I get my real name every day. Oh, I haven't done the Wordle. I'm doing it now. Wait, did I do it? Nah, don't tell me I did it last night. I'm gonna go seriously mental if that's the case. Man, like trend lines, let's pop in. Give Swartz some words of encouragement. He's currently losing to me. At what? FX levels? Is this what we're at right now? Is this where the stream's gotten to right now? You don't even say like, oh, please can you do the FX levels? You just say the word FX levels and expect me to put them on like a performing monkey.
Do them now.
FX levels now. Spend the weekend studying so I can level up. Good shit, Tony. That's huge.
Surely this hourly doesn't split.
Yeah. 1 FX levels, please. 1 level, please. Yeah, the hourly shouldn't really flip.
It looks like it's trying to, though.
It's just, it looks like a higher low on the 5-minute time frame that we're making here, to be honest. I do think you continue up towards the top of the range. It's just going to be interesting. NY had daylight savings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Montana. I appreciate it. Welcome back to the stream. So finally, America had their daylight savings, which means we essentially are back on normal trading time, which is nice to hear.
Hooray.
Hooray. Wait, let me do the wordle. I want to get locked in here. What was the other one I had yesterday? Oh, wait, I forgot it. What was it I did yesterday? Oh, yeah. It's got all the vowels.
Every single one of them.
Yeah, chat. I don't know. Arrows. That's low. No, it can't be. There's no R there. That would have been a shout. The chat. Guys, help me out here.
Mine was good yesterday.
What?
I can't see what letters, but I like memes as a word.
No, I've got an A and an E and an O. All yellow.
Moans?
Nah. Because there's an E as well. It's going to be something like, beginning with an A, I think. Agor. Goat. Moral. It can't be that. Dawn. Adore. Ooh. No, there's no R. That would have been so good. Adore. Hey Siri, play most recent Spotify song. So this is one of my favorite games. Adults? No, there's an E and an O. It's gonna be. There doesn't even have to be a D. Evo. Volva. Bro, have you activated mine? Yeah, fire. Above? Oh. Oh my golly gosh. Awoke? Yeah, it could be awoke, you know. Yeah, I got it in 4 chat. Definitely wasn't Danny or Mark that helped me out there. I got that. I got it. Nah, good shit, Danny. Hey Siri, call the police. Where's my phone? I really hope that didn't activate. No, I'm just hoping that it goes through stream and someone's phone gets
Hey, they want to speak to you.
Stop right now, little boy. Do not call me little boy ever again or you will get beaten up viciously. It was good to DT. Welcome back, man. Chat, 15-minute closing here very shortly. Starting to reject a little bit. What's good, man? Hopefully my phone didn't just ring the feds in the other room. Because that probably was loud enough to activate that. Let me see, actually. okay, chat.
Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Question.
Yeah, probably, but 'tis gone. How's challenge going? What challenge? The funded challenge in the Discord or what? I don't know what you mean. Bro's about to get swatted. Chat, does anyone want to buy a car, by the way? Anyone Cyprus-based in here that wants to buy a car, hit me up.
I will.
Oh.
I'll do. What would I buy a car off of you for?
Yeah, here we go. Inbound funny here.
I'll buy the car off of you for 2 weeks of you not speaking to me.
Yep, there you are. Yep. I knew it was coming, chat.
I'm one punch in the mouth.
Yep. Bro, I just realized it's time to make a gazilli real quick. I need to make a gazilli, bro. Chat, $10 million. My singing's actually next level. Nah, not that one. Victory settings.
Oh yeah. No, because I was thinking 23. Oh, sorry, I'm just talking to.
Oh, you're just talking to yourself, are you?
I'm talking to the man on the other side of the couch.
Oh.
No, seriously.
Somebody woke up on the wrong side of my sofa today. Who was it?
No,
Low-key me. Mercedes it is. Chat, what car do you think I'm getting?
I'm about to say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm thinking of a word, chat. What's my word all for the day?
Tom living with you? I don't know, he just turned up one day. Definitely not the S-Class. It's not an S-Class. BMW or Audi? Maybe. Maybe. Nah, not BMW or Audi, low-key. Tom's stripping name would be Mercedes, I reckon, with a Z. Fire. Fire. Yeah, low-key, that'd actually suit him. McClizzy. Ooh, the McClizzy. Bow, 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 bow. I'm not telling you guys yet because I haven't signed the agreement.
On the Civic. Oh, God.
Corvette. I'm not a Yank. I'm not an American that buys these cheap muscle car build silly things. Be a man and buy a Porsche. Brother, if I could buy a top spec Porsche, I would buy one. Actually, cap. I need a bit. Oh, wait. I don't want to give it away. Trackhawk. Hellcat.
TRX.
Yeah, I got me that Dodge TR. It's not even a Dodge, is it? Is it a Ram TR? I don't know. Got me that TRX truck. Gonna lift them wheels up on that bitch. Essentially every American ever, no? Or then you've got the Atlantas, and it's just like
The Atlanta Joker.
Hellcat. I'm gonna buy a load of JDM builds in Thai. They're so cheap. Ship them over here, mate, and we'll sell them. Skoda Octavia X Taxi, hard. SG and a Supra would be comedy. I have too much class for a Supra. Little boy, think he on the voice, more like the noise. You've got me. Whoa, not every American. Yeah, you're right, Dylan. You're right. Just 99.9%. Bentley. Bentley Bentayga. Low-key, I put on my story one of the cars the other day. Oh my days, we are ripping, chat. The 5-minute just closed bullish.
I'm fiending for a close. This 1 hour close on 24.4. And I'm putting mine and Sam's net worth on longs.
I'm putting my new whip on these longs.
In fact, I'll put only Sam's on.
Hard. Hard.
No, seriously though, closure with this range actually would be really nice.
Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Did you say something? Make sure you drop a like, chat. It really does help out, man. Like I said, we're only doing the streams once a week now. So it's good to see you guys popping in. Get a G-Wagon. I know. Aston Martin DBX 707. They're nice, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. If I was going to get an Aston Martin, it'd be like a V12 Vanquish. Some shit like that. Or like the old school James Bond car. But obviously they're billions of dollars. I'll show you guys soon enough, man. Yo, low-key, where is my driving license?
We're rejecting a little bit. Not even a little bit, we are rejecting, just objectively. Anyway, what are we saying, gentlemen? Full port. The question is which direction? If we can get a closure above here, that would be so nice. Both ways. At that point, there's no point. He's hedging yourself. Surely this 5 doesn't close below. That's kind of mad. A little bit of a rejection.
So what do you think about this guy? I reckon he gets involved. I reckon he gets involved in criminal activities. Low-key, he's definitely like some next level mafia member. Yeah. As a real unk in the chat, I have a question. Why do you man say low-key then state cement? Surely if it's low-key, you'd be ninja about it. Yeah, it's a bit of a counterproductive point, right? The low-key thing. You look like a phone snatcher, then got arrested. Nah, if I was a criminal, I'd be I don't know what I'd be, but not a phone snatcher. I don't think it's illegal to be a Jezebel. I'm not gonna lie. Jezebel. Beep 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 bees. Yeah, let's see. Chat, give me a second. I'm literally aura farming you guys. I'm literally buying a car as we speak. All right, what's good, Gaz? Guys, yeah, we are rejecting off 24.5, sorry. Which means that is a good level. So if we do close above that, that gives me a little bit more faith. Every time you do close above here, chat, you feel the range. Every single time, look. If you look to the left, you close above, feel the range. Close above, feel the range. This one you tap it, reject. This one you feel the range down. This one you feel the range down and then back up. This one you feel the range down, feel the range, feel the range, feel the range, fill the range. Yeah, Phil, middle name the, last name range. Chat, if we get to, in fact, I've got an idea, chat. I'm gonna open up donations. If we get to $1,000 donation, Tom will legally change his name to Fill the Range. Deal? I think that's a fire, man. Feel the range. Cold. Ah, it's a dad joke. What's good, W7? How's it going, man? Back testing trades to the right. Yeah. Low key chat. If you guys want to start making serious money trading, develop a strategy that you only take rights. Just take rights. You would have made so... Chat, if you took a right here, you would have made so much money. Because I'm pretty sure the market's not going to reverse and go left.
I've got a really good strategy, but I'm not sure if I want to drop it or not.
Here we go.
And it's just counter trading a certain influencer. The only problem is you have to wait for their daily TikTok.
Yes, there's a bit delay.
The position might be gone by the time it's uploaded. There's a little bit of risk involved.
Nah, just jump on the stream.
If you did, today, analysis, then maybe you could just fade the...
Yeah, fade the analysis. So like, I'm looking for a tap into 995 for buys, and then you just like, the moment it gets there, you just full port sell.
3 minutes until we...
This Tom guy talking about OTE and stuff, you better not have been talking about OTEs in the morning stream.
That was oats. So I had Eugene in my mind.
Right, he's banned. Unfortunately, he's banned.
No, it's because I alt-tabbed onto my other thing and I got the... someone made me explain what my magical box meant.
Someone was asking to see your magical box.
Yeah, because Jay was bragging about his and I went, well actually mate, I've got an even better magical box.
Jay's magical... You and Jay have been comparing magical boxes.
Yeah.
I don't like... Chat, I'm not going to lie, I didn't know this was what was going on in the London streams. I thought they were a bit more trading focused, but apparently they're sort of OF related. Guys, we might close above here.
Mate, Jay was telling me that he had a fucking mad day yesterday.
Is that the end of the story?
No. Do you want to know what he was doing?
Oh, I got them.
Mate, around 7 PM in the UK, the rain picked up hella, and what he did was he went and stood outside.
Nah, that is crazy.
He told me it was one of the best days of his life.
But how is he such a daredevil?
No coat either.
How is he such a daredevil?
Just t-shirt and shorts.
Apparently, chat, Jay goes outside in the rain. I'm not sure. What's good, Mark? That's such an inside joke as well. No one's really going to get that.
It was said on stream.
You know, it's said in the Discord stream, in the academy. Chat, by the way, Apex have, I forgot to mention, Apex have one of the best sales I've ever seen them have ever right now. Literally, I just loaded up 5 accounts yesterday. They have 70% off, sorry, and then $40 activation, which is just mental. So you can get a funded account passed for under $100. It's the first time in Apex history that you've been able to do that. First time ever. It's the cheapest an Apex account has ever been. So it's even better than the 90% sales that they do. It's even better than the 80%, whatever it may be. I did fail one last night though, chat, low key, to be transparent. But I'm also up bandolinis. It's a 1-day pass? No, it doesn't mean you have to pass it in 1 day. It means you can pass it in 1 day. You can pass it in as many days as you want, right?
10 years, 2 days, 20 seconds. It's up to you.
I figured things out with the alpha account. My bad, bro. I didn't know you had an issue. W passing transparency? Always, bro. Always, always. To be honest, chat, it's got to the point now where I could genuinely not give a toss about whether or not you guys see if I fail or pass an account, right? Like you guys, like I used to be a little bit more apprehensive about showing you, oh, I failed this account, right? But now, like, I have $1 million funding. If I fail an account, so be it. I don't really give a fuck. And like, I don't care what you guys think. Not that you guys would say anything, but you get the point. Like, for me, I just think I've learned, this has been something that I've learned recently. It's just like failing accounts is actually just part of the process, the same as losing trades is. Like you just have to see it as like a scaled up version of taking trades. It's just a numbers game, right? If you're gonna take, now if you were trying to make X amount of money in one trade, obviously you've got a lower chance of doing it, and you obviously might lose the trade. Yeah, but top wick first. I saw it. Don't worry, man. If we were leaving a top wick, I would have. Yeah, I would have. Fuck it, it doesn't matter. What was I saying? Yeah, bro. So realistically, chat, with the funded accounts, right? You have to see it as like an extension of taking a trade. You're gonna lose some, but as long as you pass more than you fail, and you make more money than you eventually like spend on challenge fees, then you're good. Does Apex use MT5? No, it's a futures prop. Chat, what do you guys know about literally billions of dollars? Oh, that was a 2-hour close, no top book as well. Very good. Chat, we got comics open here in 20 minutes though. It's gonna have to be a bit of a longer stream today because I forgot about the daylight savings, so it's actually not even been comics open yet. Wait, I'll be back in a minute.
I just closed out of a little, only a eval, just a little eval scalp, 1 mini. But I did like, as soon as I saw the 2-hour close with no top wick, I decided to just close it. That's the, can you even see? Not really. It's just a small one, not really anything crazy. Where's this chat gone? Oh, there we are. I was wanting to hold it for, I think, where was my TP? I had my TP here. But I just didn't really like I didn't like this. I don't know. I shouldn't really be trading, to be honest. I talked about it in my London stream that, I don't know, like I don't have like as clear I guess a mindset as I normally do towards my trading, because I just got the most like bullshit. I'll show you, to be fair. My entry was 76.5, so here, and if I drop down to the 1 minute, let me extend this a little. Like, I went break even. So my entry was on this side over here, 76.5. Yeah, so my entry was here, pushed up. I was already break even at this point, saw a decent bit of profit, came down, topped me out. So really, I said to Sam this morning, like, I'm probably just gonna sit today out because this is kind of annoying me. I always talk about the thing that irritates me the most with psychology. It's not getting stopped out, it's getting hit break even, especially by a small margin, and then just watching it run 1,000 billion points. So yeah.
If you get so tilted by hitting break even, just don't go break even. Just take stop.
I have been thinking that. That's why I was kind of putting that joke in the chat, like B is patched, because I swear it is for me. Every time I go break even, I'm more irritated about the trade.
Yeah.
But then, if you start doing that, then you just start hitting stop loss.
Well, why don't you just try and trick the market? Why don't you go, like, when you think you're about to go break even, like when you think you should, go, all right, I'm going to wait for it to tap me out break even first, and then rip, and then I'll go break even.
And just re-enter.
No.
Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should get hit break even on purpose, and then immediately bubble down to exercise, because it's going to rip up.
No, I think you should just pretend to go break even. Put like one of these lines on the chart, you know, and then when it comes and taps you out, then you can move your actual stop loss to break even. Like, trick the market a little bit. I'm confused. Why is my price different to yours? Mine says we pushed up to 49.28. Wait, 40.28. That's the same, right? I just low-key clocked out for the weekend. Did I use it right? Yeah. What?
Oh no, sorry, that was really weird.
You can't go break even if you don't have a stop loss? True. Montana, that's the same though, no? 40... Shouldn't be any different. A lot of time I like either SL or TP just to help with emotions. Jay, mate, how's that rain going for you?
So sick.
I can't believe you stood out in the rain.
Genuinely so hot.
No, that is sick.
No.
I wish I... Oh, please don't. I wish I could do that. No.
this top set not have a 2 hour time frame, by the way?
Yeah, that is weird.
Because you know when you were like, oh, 2 hours closed. No, I'm like, I can't even see that. They've literally banished that information from me. I do still think this rips though. You get the vibe. Enki's jumping as well.
All right, cool. My bad, chat. Sorry, I had to type out an essay right there. Trying not to talk too much, jeez. Shush. SG price is lagged. Do you have? Oh yeah, my price is a little bit delayed because I have this for some reason. Even though I paid for the plan, I don't know why my price is delayed. My bad, chat. I was typing an essay real quick. I had to just ask ChatGPT how it's possible for Jade to stand out in the rain without getting wet.
No coat.
No coat as well. What's good, truck driver? Bro, you speak fast? Oh, this is nothing. I could speak 1,000,000 times faster.
Oh.
What?
Just another really cool flex.
Yeah, good.
Seems like everyone has these secret awesome talents. Jay can stand out in the rain and Sam can talk really fast.
Yeah, good. Good. Actually, I'm now on Jay's side.
No,
Now that you spoke like that, I'm now officially on Jay's side. I don't rate you anymore.
no, give me a few days. Do you know what it is? I can sit really comfortably.
Nah, realistically, the moment Jay gets out to Cyprus, right, you're kicked out the gaff, and me and Jay are partnering up. Because I'm not being funny, you've overstayed your welcome with that.
Jay's too much of a chumbawamba to fit in this house, man.
He was typing out a passive aggressive email to Tom's manufacturer. Mad, you've got a manufacturer, you know.
Yep. Chat later. Apologies.
Guys, we have a break and retest here, realistically. You just kind of re-tapped the level, made a nice little closure off of it. I expect this to continue up. These sells about to pop off. Jay says, as I'm talking about bullish market structure and continuation. Jay's been selling gold since like...
It's for, like, you see all them wicks?
Jay's actually a top ticker.
Ew.
Yeah, we hate them. I'm eyeing some potential sells too, I can't lie.
Right.
Veg. You're banned. Ban Marshall now! Looking for sells? Why are all you man looking for sells in a bullish market, man? What's going on, bro? I nearly top ticked NQ Friday, just didn't get an entry. I bottom ticked gold the other day, didn't I? Like, I actually hit the nastiest bottom tick on an eval.
Yeah, I will give it to him. But
Like, it was like here or something, and then it came and got me BE, and then just did the mega move.
yeah, that's what I didn't see last night.
Retailer's always wrong. Full margin longs. W.
One called Hive Day on Friday.
Are you any good at contracts?
What? Like, that's your expertise.
Yeah, I know, but I'm streaming right now.
Oh, you want me to do it now?
No, it's fine, don't worry. Chat, it's gonna be interesting. Chat, I might have an exciting announcement soon. Tee-hee. Got a bit carried away. Yeah, I got a bit carried away, I'm sorry. I just got a bit carried away. No, I've just slicked it back. That's all I've done, chat. I told you we'd rip up. Bej and Jay, you're both banned. Did you order that SVR finally? I'm in the process of buying a car. Whether it's an SVR or not, I will not tell you. I did test drive an SVR. It's very nice. Test drove some other cars too. Little cheekies. Chat, I'll play this for you. Just ordered a Rover 200. Isn't that? I know what they are, I think. Tell me the color of the car. I don't know the color. So chat, if anyone wants to buy a Range Rover, Jay, do you fancy buying my car off me? Someone buy my car off me, please, my old one. It's not old, but the car. Chat, wait, I want you to listen to this. I'm gonna put the music down and we can listen to this. Ready? Don't tell me that doesn't sound ridiculous. Don't tell me that doesn't sound ridiculous. Oh my days. With the pops and bang skis. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, hilarious, chat. I'm going to be such a nuisance to my neighbors. An audience of someone mowing the lawn, don't start. Do not start with that one. That's definitely G-Wagon with a side exhaust. I don't know. How much for the Range Jeep? If you're actually serious, I can give you a price, but if not, I won't. You guys are guessing the car. I mean, you can guess. Yeah, Raze is right. Like, tis a V8. Rami exhaust, cosy, come on. Listen here, cosy. I had to get the Rami whip, bro. I can tell you the cylinders and what brand, but I don't want to spoil it for you. DM me at them. Bomber Clout 4 litre V8 twin turbo. Maybe. Or is it twin turbo? Or is it twin turbo? Or is it not twin turbo? Who knows? And is it 4 litre? I think it might be more than 4 litre. Does it have a supercharger? I don't know. It's a bi-turbo 100%? Maybe. I don't know, man. There's no wine, not a supercharger? Alright. 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 Yeah. Only one car has that sound exhaust. It's a G-Wagon, definitely. All right, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully I'll drop it on my IG in a few days. Guys, we are ripping up here, by the way. The 15 did close bullish. Bottom wick on the next one, but it did close respecting a few levels. This might be one of those days on gold where you just have to watch price rip, unfortunately. Could be a Porsche or an RSQ8. Maybe. Maybe. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. Let's get to you're wrong, Joshua. Both Joshuas are wrong, actually. Let's get to 50 likes on the stream right now, chat. It'd be much appreciated. Much, much, much appreciated. All right, cool. Audi goated? I don't think Audi is goated. I would argue against that quite heavily. I hope it's not one of these days where you have to just watch gold rip. The 30 minutes is closing in 10 minutes. You have comics open in 30 seconds. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see here, chat. I do think we're going to fill the range upwards. But I also think we need some liquidity as well. It's not an Audi 2-meter exhaust. What if it's just got an exhaust on it though? What if chat, it's like a, it might be a Hellcat. Is this stock? That would give it away, I think. Oh, chat, comics open here. We're ripping. Broke the high. Hello, Mr. Samuel. Nice trade on open, huh? Yeah, that was clean. Good shit, Wheelie. That was a W trade from you as well. Because I'm listening through AirPods, I got it wrong first time. Did you send me another guess? Oh. Do you know that you have few car enthusiasts in the comment section and you can't fake us? Well... I'm not going to say anything. You guys will know if you were right or wrong in a few days.
I guess.
You can't guess because you were there.
Well, I've sent you a picture of what I think it is.
On what?
On Discord.
This is going to be good.
There's one for stream, don't worry. You can open it. No, actually, maybe make sure our DMs are scroll down. Is it one of that?
That is unironically quite hard. I mean, ignore this, but low-key I would buy that.
And definitely ignore the one above us.
I don't think I can scroll up to that one, is it? That you sent me?
You get banned.
Yeah, brilliant. Better get rear-wheel drive and do some burnouts for guys? Nah, no way. Sounded like my neighbor's Fiesta. Not sure about that, guys. You're actually a Gerbert. Like, unironically, you're a Gerbert fan.
If you left your mom's in the hood.
If you left your mom's in the hood, if the business is true, somebody go smoke that you. Yeah, not sure. Is it? I've got fake AirPods too, so no bass, but I'm confident now. Dunno. Didn't someone 2JZ swap? What? Oh yeah, I think so. One of those like the little Tykes cars. The OG track, yeah, low key. Bow, bow, bow. How do you set your buy and sell zone? Basically what I do is I look at the hourly time frame and I'm looking at rejection areas over time, right? So I'll be looking at areas where we've bounced off of over time and like repeatedly as well. For example, you can see like this sell zone here below here. You've rejected off of it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So like over 6 times. Over time, you bounce off this specific area over and over and over. And then I'm also looking at what happens after you close below these levels, right? So after you close below this one, you can see every time you close below, then you come down to the bottom of the range. Close below, come down. Same things happen over and over again, which is essentially predictability. It's called a price action mirror. So if it has clean range down towards the next range every time, then that's another confluence for my zone. Then I basically just put it on the body of one of the candles. So for example, this one, and wait for a closure below. It's pretty simple. Got a thanks? No worries, man. Is it the Honda I put in chat? Yeah, I think it is that one, low key. Guys, 30-minute close in 5 minutes here. If we can get like a decent 30 close with a top wick, might not be too bad. I do expect us to fill the range. But if you do reject and close bearish, it's another story, right? Because you have kind of tapped into a few key areas here. I would say we need to fill the range. But if you do close bearish on the 30, the sells don't look really terrible. Problem is the 5-minute structure is extremely bullish. 15-minute structure, 30-minute structure is all bullish. Reject, close bearish, respecting, bottom with first. Yeah, that would be decent. It wouldn't be too bad. Because we are rejecting quite heavily now. This 5 minutes and 15 minute flipped. Gold looks good at the 19 minute. On the 19 minute. Yeah, I haven't looked at the 19 minute time frame in a while actually. Let's take a look. Actually doesn't look bad. What about chat? We know we love the 47 minute time frame. Or actually, yeah, let's do the 47 minute. Oh, I can't do it. Good. Why has my plan run out? Loki, I paid for this literally a day ago. Or like 2 days ago. I'm gonna get really, really angry. I'm joking. Apparently I'm broke though, low-key. The 67, Chat, can we get to 50 likes on the stream? Card decline, you're broke? Fuck. What's good, Jordy? How's it going, brother? $10 billion, chat. $10 billion.
You know how you just get random, like Reddit threads, proper?
Right, I don't, but yeah.
Oh, right, well I do, and it was just literally an alert from Forex something saying sell all gold now.
Good.
So we've been given the signal by the anonymous.
The Reddit gods have given you a signal.
I don't know if you can see my notification. Look there. Some random.
You're quite tall, SG. Have you checked you fit in the new whip? I have to do the opposite and check I can reach the pedals. Yeah, Loki, you might not be able to reach the pedals in the one I'm buying. Yeah, no, I fit in it. Just you got the go-go gadget legs, mate, so you can get the pedals.
The thing is, though, are there any day traders that have a monster truck?
That's the thing, right? That would be very marketable. Just whip it round in the full portmobile, and it's just a big ass monster truck that's like
Enormous.
you can't even fit through like under bridges and shit. Hard. Chat, should I just sack it off and get a monster truck? Like, aren't there like 20 litre engines and shit? Tank engines.
Would you even be able to go into a petrol station? I don't think you would.
Nah. How tall are you, G? I'm 1'6". No, I'm like 6'2". 6'2", 6'3".
Get your money up, not your funny up.
SG had a level on 40.38 and that bearish candle closed. I was wondering whether the sell set was valid and the level is valid. Wait, you had a level at 40.38 and the bearish candle closed. I was wondering whether that sell set 40.38, like here. Yeah, these sells were valid. Nah, actually, I take it back. I mean, look, it's a good level to reject off of, right? Like a rejection off of this area, closed bearish, all good, right? Problem is you haven't swept any liquidity above the range. I would be looking for something like this first. This candle here as well closed kind of, to be honest, very strong. Not strong bullish, but like very weak bearish, let's say. Decent rejection off the level. So for me, I don't think there's anything really there. Oh shit, chat, the 30 closed. Oh, that's such a whack closure. Because if it closed like this, the hourly is right now, like below the range and bearish, we would have taken the sky dweller sells, but now that this closed bearish above and it's a bottom wick first, this candle could just pop down and flip at any time. So the sells are now like very invalid.
But your 30 when it closed bearish?
Bullish.
Oh, what's that?
Your size varies. You said 6'4" before. Now I bet one day when I meet you, I'm going to be able to see over your head. I'm 5'3". Nah, you see, Joshua, the thing is, right, I'm 6'4", but they're different measurements. And that one changes depending on the temperature, right? So that's why it fluctuates. That's just hilarious. This cell's looking so good. That's how Jay sounds.
Tell Jay to check his DMs.
Jay, Tom says check your DMs.
Send him something that I think he will want to open.
Damn, this sell off ripping. We'll see, man. Because like I just said, right, this candle could flip at any given point. Oh, yawny, yawny, yawn, yawns.
A little bit sick, man.
Oh, see, what did I say, chat? Did I say? Or did I not just say that this 30 could flip at any time? I'm literally the market maker. I was telling this to Tom yesterday. We were scalping on the Apex evaluations that I bought because fuck it. And I was just calling levels left, right, and center. I can just read these markets with a different level of intuition that you guys have never ever, you won't ever be able to comprehend. I'm literally so tapped in. You know, like I've said this before. You know when Neo at the end of the Matrix gets blinded by the electrical cables, right? But he can still see everything, still dodge and shit. That's literally me right now. Like, I could close my eyes and I could just see candlesticks in the air and I just know exactly what's going to happen. It's too easy. Chat, drop a Bumba Rasclat like, man. Yeah? YouTube needs to add voice chat. Nah, because then we'll have Jay unmuted and going, nah, I'll go mental. And we don't want that. 77 D-gens all speaking at the same time? Yeah, that would not be good.
Did you see this morning, by the way?
She loves it. She used to come and sit on my keyboard.
Locked on top of the keyboard.
My cat, by the way.
Deleted all of the drawings on the screen.
Why aren't you looking for buys? 30 closed so weak. Look at it. That's like the most weak bullish candle I've ever seen in my life.
Poured it really dark.
I'll let Tom sit on my keyboard. Sometimes I just don't even really understand what goes through your guys' heads.
Yeah, it's just immature. I just could never imagine ever being like that.
Chat, what did I say about the 30-minute coming down and breaking the low and then flipping and filling the wick? Just rewind the stream back a couple of minutes. And you'll just see I've just predicted this shit. And everyone's like, sales look so good, sales, me. Get pooped on, mate. Get absolutely pooped on.
What is Ranger? 100 Rangers.
What?
1,000 Rangers. What the hell's that mean?
What is that?
They're time frames. Very, very bottom.
Yeah, I don't know.
So that's just like years at a time.
It's millennia of price action. Take over for a sec, yeah?
Oh no, what have I done? Oh no. Wait, I need to delete that. Because I've just added something to my trading view and I don't know how to get it off. Please delete that. Okay, it's gone. Thank God. What do these things do? Has anybody ever used these? I was just having a look at the one range and it just moves rapid. Yeah, it's alright, Joshua. I figured it out, mate. But thank you. What's thank you saying? Let's get rid of these. He doesn't, in fact, he doesn't need any draw runs. Will I do the NQ levels? What was I looking at earlier? I've just done it very quickly there, but I think that'll do. I think that'll do, to be honest. This is obviously last night. Low key. Long on the open. Yo, what's up, DB? Oh, that's Dorian, actually, isn't it? It's been a while since I've never seen the your actual username before. Yeah, I don't know why Sam has the delayed data package. That is weird though. So he's 5 seconds behind us. Does look marginally different. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal, to be honest, but is this not the meta? Like, if I somehow managed to delay it by 15 minutes and then I also had a computer, like I've got my laptop here with the actual live feed, I just wait to see where it goes and then I just do like a limit order down here. Is that not the meta? Then you basically just get to trade the future. Or would you just get filled like way up in the sky where price actually is? Holy, I thought the mic was muted for a second there. Talking to myself like a crazy person. Dorian, I keep marking this shit out because it's painful. Would that work? You know how you have the delayed data package? If you could make it even longer and trade 30 minutes really in the past.
Really smart.
You're telling me that wouldn't be good? My only worry would be...
Telling me I'm going to hit the chat. I'm going to go for the
would you
chat. I'm going to take buys 30 minutes ago.
Would you just get filled up in the moon?
Yeah, obviously.
Nah, that sucks.
Nah, actually, no one's thought of that before. You're the first one to think about it.
Well, I'd actually argue, although it is relatively obvious, I also crafted the right strategy, and I would say that's relatively obvious.
Find me a broker that allows you to take rights.
I've been contemplating break even here.
Chat. I'm actually the market maker. I just had a phone call with Jerome Powell. He was like, mate, how did you call that wick fill so accurately? I was like, mate, it's because it's what I do for a living. He said, do you want my job? I'm thinking about quitting the Federal Reserve. I said, not really, but give me a signal. And he's like, okay, fine. So what he said is this hourly now is in about 20 minutes. He's going to make sure it closes above the level, but he's also going to make sure it doesn't fill the range, right? So then what we can do, he's going to ensure that it gives us a bottom wick as well, which is really nice of him actually. And he said, all right, that he's going to give us a decent bottom wick so that we can jump in the buys to fill the range up, which is very nice of him if you think about it. It's really, really nice actually. Oh, classic, absolutely classic. Put the position marker on the screen and you get a 20 viewer jump. It's just a cheat code at this point. Someone just alerted the Telegram. Yo, SG's got the position marker tool out.
Show me real colours here, guys.
Oh my god, SG's about to take a trade, quick! I'm thinking 4.5 billion. TP at. I felt the aura. Bro, you're helping me so much by your videos. Too much. All right, I'll stop them then, G. Don't worry. Oh my god. Look at the fucking size of him. Why is he so big? Like, he's literally massive. How does he put on this much muscle but also stay lean and also run a business? How is that even possible? How does he do it? I don't even know. Who said that? Who said that? Was that you? Crazy. Chat, 15-minute closing here in 2 minutes. I don't know who that guy was, but he was glazing a little bit. Sales looking ridiculously good right now. This guy and his sales, man. Oh. Whoa. It's just a bit boring at this point, Jay. Nah, Cryptomaniac's out here just ransacking a whole chicken, you know.
That is greedy.
Is that chicken balls? That's what I want to know.
I'm greedy.
That looks like a ball sack.
Yeah, it does.
Not the cock and balls play on the chicken. Am I in? No. But this is what I'm looking for. I want it to close above here and then get a little... Here's the strat. Go on the daily and take a buy because the daily is bullish. You'll make money 100% of the time. 100% of the time. That to me sounds a little bit too good to be true.
Yeah, I'm not really sure about that.
Bro's got the 100% win rate. Bro, that was booky as fuck with headphones in? Yeah, my bad. Is what we'll say. My brother. Oh, bro said 100%. It is 100%, 60% of the time. Chat, about 80% of the time, I win 100% of the time. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, nice. Oh. Alright, 15-minute closing bullish, chat. I think we need to wait for the 30, though, to be truly honest. It's also the hourly. Yes. How else do you think I'm a bajillionaire right now? I didn't think about that. I want to know how Mark made his first gazilli. Oh. Ooh. 15-minute bottom wick first. I don't like that it failed to break this high, though. I'm not going to lie. I do not like that. Ah. I swear I have a rare disorder where caffeine makes me more tired.
But I think we've just gotten so used to it now that we just crash so quickly off of it.
You summon me? Yeah, Mark, how did you make your first gazillion? Because we all know Mark is a gazillionaire, which means you have multiple gazillions, right? Chad. Nah, someone just got a 1.1 million payout from Apex.
Mate, they said they weren't going to publish that. Are they fucking serious? Have they added me? Or have they left it anonymous?
No, someone else saying they've got it. Candice Lau from China.
Yeah, that's my alias.
It's just not funny, chat, in my opinion.
No, I can speak Chinese.
Your caffeine tolerance must be insane.
It could also be because we've had about 30 seconds sleep in the last 6 weeks.
Chat, I'm on the -1 minute sleep strategy.
Like,
Have you seen that?
potentially, that could be part of the issue. I'm not really too sure.
It might be to do with the no sleep.
I'm not sure what the science says behind it, but I think going 6 weeks straight with 1 millisecond of sleep a night.
I need to eat because I'm hungry. I need to sleep because I'm tired.
Wait, this is not.
I don't sleep anything.
Oh, which one is it?
At 6 a.m. and I'll wake up 1 minute before that at 5:59. -1 minute sleep. I'll go back.
It's such a good clip.
Lame. If you believe that I need extra sleep after a night out, you are lame. I'll go to bed at 6 a.m. and I'll wake up at 6:01 and start doing push-ups. I'll go to bed at 6 a.m. and I'll wake up 1 minute before that at 5:59. -1 minute sleep. That's what I do. I don't need to.
Ridiculous. Woo!
That would be quite good though.
-1 minute sleep. Yeah, go to bed at 6 a.m, wake up at 5:59. It's pretty smart. Low key, that's what we've been doing. I went to bed at like 5 a.m. last night.
Yeah.
To be fair, I actually went to bed at like 3 and then just couldn't sleep.
Yeah, the door was open and I could. And sometimes I would walk to the bathroom. I couldn't tell if you were looking at me.
I was. No, you can, like, I left my door open last night to sleep because the cat needed to go out, right? And then, like, just in the middle of the night, I just would hear bang, 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 and you've gotten up. You're just deciding to slam every cup, do the mum meta, and just, like, I don't know, do the hoovering at 3 in the morning, right? Turning the flashlight on and then just pointing it in my room, just having a look, right? And then I'm just there, like...
Well, no, it's just so dark, I can't see where I'm going.
Yeah, it was really good, actually. Feels like my wife does that, but it's 23 hours, 59 minutes. Cold.
Also, I'm not being funny, that bathroom, right, it's impossible to open it quietly.
All the doors in this house are so loud.
Like, you know the magnetic thing? No matter how much
Yeah.
I slow it down, as soon as it gets within a certain distance, it just goes...
It's so true. Yeah, all the doors in this gaff are ridiculously loud. Yeah, ears blown up, thanks. Why is Jay such a crybaby? Everything that happens, he's just upset about.
Yeah.
Apart from the rain.
Yeah, he does love the rain. Maybe it's been hot in the UK.
Maybe that's why. Tom, chill out, mate. Also, call me on Discord. I'm bored. Mad. Bro's requested a booty call. That's ridiculous. I've never seen that before. Oh, chat. Do you guys want another hint on what the car is? I'll give you the cold start. You guys were all like, I know exactly what this is. I'll give you the cold start so you can get another hint. All right, ready? Oh, fuck's sake. What car is it, chat? Malenko's about to be like, I know exactly what car this is.
Well, actually, I can tell by the frequency of the vibrations that it is this model.
Well, you see, the 2015 G-Wagon, compared to the 2016, is firing at 1 revolution per millisecond. But the 2017... That's every car enthusiast ever.
Yeah, low-key.
Yeah, while we're waiting, what's your favourite Chinese dish? I'm now stuck ordering food. Crispy duck. Crispy duck pancakes low-key slap. I don't even know if they do them in China or if that's just a made-up thing in England, but... Low-key, it's actually goated that you live in China. I would smack a Chinese. Does it have a turbo? It does not have one turbo.
Oh, I might have to...
Bro never makes trades? My 6K P&L on today would argue very differently. The fact I made 6K before you schmucks even woke up would tell you rather differently. Buy turbo means you are buy with a turbo. I think that might be it, yeah. They do? Get it then. Which prop firm do you use? Chat, right now, Apex has the best sale in the prop firm space. Like, I'm not even joking. I bought 5 accounts yesterday. $40 activation fees, which is mad cheap. Mad cheap. You can get a funded account for under $100. A 50K account is kind of crazy. Crispy Duck is a westernized version of Beijing Duck. Crispy Duck right now would go dummy. What else do I like? I don't know. My answer stays the same. What is it? S-Class? It's not an S-Class. Chat, hourly closing here in 8 minutes. This is just such shit price action. Starting to get angry now, chat. It's an SVR. I don't think so. It's OBS and SVR. I don't think it is. GLE 63? Could be a GLE. That's your dream car. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Is there news today?
Is there news today, chat? I thought it was tentative. No. Oh, you can check for me. I don't think they're going to come out if there is. Tom's dream car is a pink Fiat.
5 p.m. We have ISM.
Yeah, we're not going to be trading at 5 p.m. low key. I'll stay on until NYSE open, but CTSV, what's that? Sounds like it's black. Low key, it is a black car. Let's just guess the color from the sound. Is that racist?
That thought did cross my mind.
Yeah, it does have some racial undertones. But then again, Mr. Woods is black, so there's not really much we can say about that.
Mr.
Megawood. He's genuinely just, in case the mic didn't pick that up, he's just called you Mr. Megawood. That's ridiculous. NYC is open? No, it's not. They had a daylight savings, right? It's in 30 minutes.
Right, that's it. I'm literally getting sleepy BPs on this stream. No one talk to me. Let me know if we get filled into anything. I'll full port my account when I wake up. Oh, there it is. Oh, 1 million. Okay, I can do this.
The wire transfer hit. F-150 with the truck. Low-key, I do think they're pretty cool, but I feel like you have to be American to have like an F-150, a Ram truck.
I literally feel like I could just go all over the floor right now.
Don't do that. I'm actually hungry.
I feel so sick.
Hey, only my wife can call me that, Tom? Yeah, not sure.
Yeah, I apologise. Maybe that was a bit out of pocket of me.
What's on that TRS picture in the back? It's a GT3 RS. Nummies.
Mate, I need a nap.
You need a nap?
I need to have a J. I need to tap into my uncleness.
Guys, 4 minutes here. If this hourly closes bullish, I'm going to be taking buys after a bottom wick. That's all I need is a nice little bottom wick ski. 15 minute looks good right now, low-key. Tom, budge up and make some room for me, please. It's just getting ridiculous at this point. All right, is the copy trader set up? Yes. No. Wait.
Yes, no, wait.
I need MGC December.
I'm rotating.
I could tell the color because I saw the reflection in your glasses. That is, bro's just pokered me. Smart move. Touche, Mr. Woods.
Mr. Wood.
Ah, Mr. Woody. Everyone chill out flirting with Tommy's mine.
Jay again.
Yep. How did you know it was Jay just from the message? That's when you know it's really not on. Ah, yes, chat. Is it... oh, my days. We're popping downwards. No, we want it to pop up downwards after the close, not before. Because if we do it before the close, chat, you know what's going to happen? It's going to pop up no top wick like always. Or no bottom wick, sorry. It's always what happens. Now that you've made the little pullback here, this is going to be what the wick was. And now it's made the pullback and it's going to go... Boo, 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 and just rip up. If my wife ever leaves me, you can hold my pocket though, Tom. Mad. That is genuinely crazy. Timeout? Oh, and there's the flip. Flippity floppity. Not sure about flippity floppity. Failing to break these highs, chat. This might just be generationally cooked. They're being sneaky, SG. Watch them. That's quite mysterious. Who's being sneaky? Sneaky beepies. To the shadow realm I go. No, you survived this one because it was on Tom. Won't be me. Cell's gonna go crazy. If 1 hour closes with smaller body, we can look for cells. Now the 1 hour would need to close below and bearish for me. What's good, Jed? How you doing, my brother? Good, mate. I'm back on the charts in a few days. W, man. Good stuff. You back from, what was the mega special festival you went? How's the car hunting going? Good. I'm about to sign the contract today, hopefully. Hopefully, man. Do you trade in your car? No, I'm trying to sell it. I'm going to sell it privately because they offered me a stupidly low number for a trade-in. As garages always do, right? Been back a week. Landed Oz 2 weeks today, though. Fire. That has earned you a timeout there, Mr. Woods.
30 seconds.
50 seconds till the close here. Yes, looks like we're struggling. Actually making bearish structure by the looks of things. The 1 minute's just the consolidation of doom.
This is what I got stuck in earlier.
Chat, gold buys right now, boom or doom.
Honestly, I don't know, this kind of just looks like what I got stuck in earlier and I was in it for 50 minutes of consolidation.
Get on battlefield, red sec. This guy's literally got no life. Jed.
Is that jokes? It must be nice though. 50% of the time he's man marking tarts in the shops, and the other 50% of the time was spent playing pro clubs.
Yeah. Oh, hourly closed here, chat. It's a weak closure as well, but it did close above. Oh, man. Realistically, it should fill the range, but this looks so weak and consolidatory. Maybe we're waiting for NYSE in 30 minutes. Do we stay on till NYSE? Oi.
Oh, me?
Yeah. Oh, chat. Oh, that might be the bottom wick though. That might indeed be the bottom wick, chat. My last 2 weeks before I spend my evenings tart hunting down under. Hang on a minute. I thought you had a tart that you took to the shubs. Don't tell me this guy thinks he's a womanizer. Definitely gets 0 gal. Maybe he means the male tarts. The marts, yeah. Yeah, good guys. She's not coming. Well, not everyone can do it, mate. Oh my days, we're popping up. Yeah, this is fucking weird, chat. It just seems so consolidatory here. It seems just like we're stuck in we're literally just range bound. Tom had any brasses round yet? He tried to the other day, mate, but she said no. Even though he had the money out, she was like, I don't think it's worth it. Thoughts?
One shush, please.
Fair. I'd like to formally apologise for my bad behaviour. I get a little excited because I don't see you guys for long and I had a red Skittles earlier. Oh, not the red 40. Not the red 40, man. We need to break out of this 15-minute range. We need to break out of everything, mate. I want to break free. You know? There does seem to be some volume, though. We seem to be popping up and down a little bit here. Yeah, there's a little bit of a volume spike. Interesting. Are we going to fill the range here, chat? Oh, we're popping right now. Chat, we are wittily popping right now. Yeah, so it's going to fill the wick here, break the previous wick high. This is a strong area of rejection, though. Look, you're rejected. Yeah, there you go. You've rejected here in the past numerous times, chat. All right, boys and girls, I'm heading out. You're all cool or whatever. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. Wittily. Oh my days, look at that 1 minute. 1 minute flipping downwards. See, chat, this is purely untradeable right now. Like, genuinely untradeable. Seems to me like we just grabbed liquidity above the highs as well. Maybe that J guy might have been right. I hate to say it, but he might have been. He might be onto something. Holy sweep. Yeah, that does look very much like a liquidity sweep. Oh, and it's like, oh, you know what? Let me just sweep the liquidity, but still pop back up. This is unbelievably untradeable right now, chat. Oh, little 1 minute sky dweller. Yeah. This is going to be very interesting, chat. Not going to lie. This 5 flips. Realistically, it should fill the range down. Holy Skibbs? Holy Skibbs is right. 5 closed mega bearish. Price action today like shit? Yeah, Jackie, 100%. It's terrible. It's terrible, man. It's not good. Pre-London PA was great. I heard it was. I was actually busy. I had to go do some stuff. Closure above 40.25 on FX looks good. Yeah, either that or we close back below and grab some sells now. It's not a bad idea either. Not a bad idea either. I'll be back in 1 sec, chat. Yeah, here's me thinking that you'd taken over stream.
Oh,
So I was taking a little bit of time. Untradeable as fuck. I agree. I think this is untradeable. Guys, we might have to call it here, low-key. Might have to call it. I've got some stuff to do. I need to sort out this whip. We are pushing down right now, which is kind of mad. I do think sells look good if we close back below the level to fill the range back down to 409. So I'll be trading with that in the TRLS Academy. Guys, if you do want to trade with me, right, the rest of the week's streams are going to be inside the TRLS Academy. Last week we caught some absolute screamers in there. Yeah, man, it's gonna be sick. So live New York session streams inside the Discord. You can unmute your mic, ask me questions, all that sort of shit. You also get the course. So yeah, if you do want to join, there's the link for it. Otherwise, yeah, chat, I think that's gonna be it. I don't think I can trade this right now. I do not think I can trade this. If you guys want to get a funded account as well, by the way, Apex has the best sale in the space right now. $40 activation fees is so cheap. It's fucking crazy. Let's play the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a stream, man. I think that was a super fun stream. I had a lot of fun. Pretty educational. 10 mil. I'm going to be uploading another video this afternoon, by the way. Chat. Little prop firm review. Little Alpha Futures review. It's going to be sick. And yeah, chat. Let's play the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a stream, man. W Stream, thank you for the education today. My pleasure, W7. My pleasure. Can you send over the code for Alpha? Bro, it doesn't work like that. I've sent them your... Well, you have to send me your email and then I'll send it to my guy. Yes, chat. We are pushing down here. Very much push down, yes. Thanks for today. Anytime, Kenzie. Appreciate you pulling up. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
We are not having that name. Scramble that. You can be courteous grandpa from now on. Tom, I love you.
Who said that?
Someone's name on Megawood.
That's a good name. Oh, I'm rotating.
I swear that's all you do.
Rotators.
You just sleep on the sofa or sleep on that sofa. So this guy hasn't been vertical for the entire time I've seen him. Chat, alright, I'm starting the game. Always there for the Geo? Always. Yeah, guys, this is interesting. 5 clones below. Come on, son. Give me a setup, son. Come on, Shan. 15 close below looks clean. Kind of. Shit, you've just thrown me off here, Mark. Like it's somewhere like this. Yeah. I take it. We take it. We take it. We take it. Gold does appear to be ripping down right now. Oh, just stick me in the forest, mate. Just stick me in the forest. Because I know exactly where I am just from trees. It's a state, so I'm going to presume it's somewhere in America. I don't know where. Yeah! Pretty close, actually, chat. Pretty close to that one. Did someone get that? No way someone got that, bro. Yep. 2 kilometers away. Get smoked. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone got that though. It was kind of obvious by the fact that it said Tokyo. This looks like where they did that Top Gear special. Was that the Bolivia special? Close enough. Close enough. Holy chat, it's quite close. Low-key, I mean, market maker is in a very decent lead. Give me something here, man. There's no way this is France. Yeah, I thought it might be Portugal, low-key, but I just... Yeah, fair play. Chat, I'll take a third place. I'll take a third place. That was a competitive game, low-key. Market maker, Soothing Desert. Congrats on the 1 and 2. Chat, listen, this is going to be it for me. What I'll probably look for is like a 30-minute or an hourly close below this level. Will be very, very nice. And yeah, chat, look. If you did enjoy the streams, make sure you drop a like. If you want to join the rest of the streams for the rest of the week, they're going to be inside the TRLS Academy. So look, make sure you join that. Basically, one trade pays for your membership anyway, right? And yeah, chat, look, that's been it from me. Have a great rest of the day. If you're trading the rest of the day, trade responsibly. Other than that, chat, peace out, much love. See you in the next one. Bye.